And what a great day to sew something wonderful. I'm Kia with Kia Bee, and today we are going to be unboxing our Sew Sampler subscription box. So why don't you come on in a little closer and we'll dive into this. So this box comes from the Fat Quarter shop, and they don't sponsor us. I just really love this box. I love the materials that are inside, the products that I can use in my day-to-day quilting life, and I just like showing those off to you as well. So the box comes about mid to later month. It is $24.95 plus shipping, and we've been getting it for over a year now, and it has been wonderful, wonderful. It's actually coming up on 2 years, I believe. And so I just love the things that are inside it. So let's get this thing opened. So first, when you open the box, they always have a card. Now they have a card that kind of shows the theme for the month. So this month's theme is Home Sweet Cottage. I'm excited. I hope that means there's like some warm fabric, some like, I don't know. That just makes me excited. I love the cottage lifestyle. I like the warm cottage lifestyle, and I love the bright and white neutral tones of, if that even made sense, of the cottage lifestyle. So let's get this open. So we've got here on the back an advertisement for triangles on a roll. I have not tried these yet. I've seen several tutorials with them being used, and so it might be something I'll have to get and try in the future. So that's neat. We've just got some literature here in the very beginning. So this is just a little fold out that talks about each thing that you get in the box. I don't like to look at this very first because I want to see the products as I pull them out rather than kind of a preview of what I get. So we'll come back to this. And then we always have our little planner sticker. This one says "So What?" And we always get a block of the month designed by Lori Holt, is this year's designer. And we're on block 11, so that means that we are almost through another full year of Sew Sampler, and then they'll restart. So I guess, well, March's box is like the last fiscal year month, and then April will start another year, so another designer, another theme, another whole process. So that's exciting. And we have another thing about a new book being released called Oh Scrap. And it's got 12 scrappy quilts in it. So we've got that, and then a coupon code on the back for 20% off all Martingale books. And so that's exciting. This book looks like by Lisa Alexander. Fabulous quilts that make the most of your stash. I have so many scraps. And so that would be really helpful to me. So I'll have to look into that. Okay. Out of the top of the box here, what is this? Mama's Cottage by, let's see, by Moda, for Moda, by Prairie Grass Patterns. This is beautiful. We have 2 charm packs. So these are 5-inch squares, if you don't know what a charm pack is. They're pre-cut 5-inch squares. And so these are absolutely beautiful. It's just like really bright fabric, and you can kind of see just a little bit. All the colors that we get. We kind of get some teals and greens and neutrals and bright yellow. Oh, it's got like a really bright little yellow kind of checkered pattern. That is beautiful. So that's exciting. This is called Mama's Cottage. So the pattern must call for 2 charm packs that we get in this month's box, because we do have 2 of these. Next we have a new ruler by Doug Lico. Mini simple folded corners. Make accurate folded corners every time. Choose between 2 methods: the oversized folded corner to trim down, or the no trim exact size folded corners. So this is just a little ruler. It kind of looks like, it's just called Mini Simple Folded Corners. I'll have to figure out how to use this. I know that, you can't even see that. I know that the Fat Quarter shop has some tutorials with him in it, kind of showcasing these rulers. So I'm going to have to go back and watch a few of those, find a few on YouTube and watch a few of those. So that's really exciting. Okay. Oh, okay. So they actually did include some 2-inch finished blocks, half square triangles on a roll. So basically, my understanding of this, because I have not used it yet, my understanding is that you pull these off and you sew on top of these, a little bit like English paper piecing maybe, and then you're able to like cut on the lines that it says for you to cut on. And so I guess it's just an easier way to make half square triangles. So that's different. It says grid paper for making 2-inch half square triangles. One roll makes 200. So that's definitely, it's interesting. Okay. I'm not sure if maybe the pattern calls for that. Okay. And then we've got our Aurifil thread for this month. It's kind of like an off-white. Let me see. What is it? Color 6722. And so we've got just a roll of Aurifil thread. I actually really like that they give us thread to match our quilt pattern sometimes, because then there's like no thought process into it. As a mom who sits down to quilt about 5,000 different times a day, I don't have to like think about those things. I can just keep everything in this box and know what goes with what. Okay, and then lastly, our quilt pattern. It's called Life's a Picnic by Lisa Alexander. This is a Sew Sampler exclusive bonus pattern from her book, Oh Scrap. And so this is actually like a book. It's like a lot different than the other patterns we've been getting. So maybe this might be the way that they're going to print our new patterns. That would be nice, because it's actually like a little book rather than just the leaflet paper that we've been getting. So the materials that you need to do this little table runner are 2 of the Mama Cottage charm packs, which they included for us. Only 3/8 of a yard for a border, 3/8 of a yard for binding, 1 1/3 yards for backing, and that's it. And you just need this pattern. So that's a really fun afternoon project. It looks really simple. The colors are just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And that's it for our box. So, coming back to our literature, let's just take a look. The charm packs for this month, we got 2. They retailed for $19.96. The mini simple folded corners ruler retails for $12. The 50 weight Aurifil Sea Biscuit thread retails for $5.40. The mini 2-inch half square triangle paper, that retails for $9.98. And then we got another coupon for the deals, all box items that you want to purchase more of. You get a 15% off promo code for that. And then of course we get the basket block. So that's exciting. And then the pattern is retailing for $9.98. So again, this box is $24.95 plus shipping. It comes once a month, and you always get like a collective box of goodies. I would say that typically I wouldn't think to buy for myself, or I would wait until the last minute and I need it now. And so it's really, really exciting. Not a ton in this box this month, but I feel like I think I'll really like this. They definitely went with the brighter side of cottage style. So that's exciting. That's really fun. So tell me what you thought about the box. The good, the bad, the ugly. I mean, we're here to share our opinion of what we feel like the box. I do feel like there was a lot less in the box this month than there typically is. But tell me what you think. I'm not here to, like I said, they don't sponsor me, so I'm not here to like promote anything that they have. I'm just here to give you our honest quilting opinion. And so tell me what you thought in the comments down below. I would love to hear it and keep the conversation going. Thank you so much for joining us in the hive today. It is a rainy day here, and so the littles and I are just kind of enjoying a quiet day in, not really doing much of anything. So thank you all so much for joining us, and you have a great week.